So hi everyone, welcome back to our channel GMDI Academy. Today we have Manvinder Singh with us and Gurgaon से ये है right?
Yes,
So Manvinder, क्या thought process था after 12th to join Merchant Navy?
sir, I was inclined towards merchant navy for quite a lot of reasons. Sir, I got to know about it from the internet.
From
so,
internet, okay.
uh,
और fascinating कुछ लगा Merchant Navy के बारे में जो?
Sir, initially it was all like rosy pictures of like uniforms and like cool sunset and stuff. But like I got to know more about it. It was also like hard work and sacrifices.
Yes, yes.
But I feel like those hard work and sacrifices are worth for the life we are able to live because of merchant
Yes,
navy.
that's great. That's true. So how can we get to know about GMDI Academy then?
So GMBA from the YouTube channel.
From YouTube channel only. So when you inquired about GMDI Academy, you must have called first. है ना आपने एक काउंसलर से बात करी होगा सो देव सजेस्ट यू दैट यस दिस थिंग्स आर देयर टीचर्स आर ऑलवेज देयर टू सपोर्ट सैटरडे टेस्ट एंड एवरीथिंग सो जब आप यहाँ पे आए तो क्या वो सच में था चीज़ें
सर या हम वो सब चीज़ें तो हैं एंड ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द प्लस पॉइंट्स आई फील लाइक नॉट लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉक अबाउट इज दे डू बट विच आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट वेरी स्पेसिफिकली द इंटरव्यू सेशन वी गेट especially with Arvind sir. I had my level 1 interview with him. He gave me like a whole sheet where all the pointers which I need to change, which I was lacking, I need to add more substance to my answers, which was really helpful.
Okay, so Arvind sir helped you a lot, right?
Yes.
So when he gave you the points, so you have to work on these points. So I mean, you work on those points.
Yes, sir, I did. But the thing was, I like changed my answers. I did like prepare. My answers had a lot of problem initially. I changed them, but like just like 4 days after that, I had my fleet interview, so I wasn't prepared with the substance to back up those with the cross questions.
Perfect, no worries. So you have a decent time spent in GMD Academy. So two best things you want to share about GMD Academy. What are they?
So like the instructors. As I said, the interview instructor, they are amazing. They are always there to help us. Even in the basement in the afternoon, I can go and ask them anything. And also the weekly test, which keeps me brushed up with my like all the subjects.
Okay, that's great. So, whether those viewers who are watching from Gurgaon, from your whole hometown, and from all over the India, basically those who want to join Merchant Navy, and those who want to join GMD Academy, what one message you want to suggest them?
I mean, one of the best places if you want to get into the field of marine.
Yes, and but you know the thing is, if you are ready to do hard work, then only you are most welcome because hard work आपको करना पड़ेगा, right? Teachers आपको support करते हैं. अरविंद सर ने आपको शीट दिया पूरा प्रिपेयर करने के लिए, बट अगर आप खुद से प्रिपेयर नहीं करोगे तो इट वोंट वर्क, राइट? तो आपने खुद से मेहनत करी और चीज़ें आज बेटर हैं, राइट? चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट, थैंक यू सो मच.